Welcome to the CLT Toolbox. In this video, we'll guide you through the basics and show you how to make most of our features and calculations. To get started, you can choose between the member and connection design. In the member design menu, you can directly start with the design of any member element, while in connection design menu, you can first select one of the calculator groups and then start with a specific scenario calculation. We can start with creating a project by selecting a calculator at the beginning. You can choose between new and existing projects. Access existing projects in the right tab where all your previous projects are listed. If you don't have a project yet or you want to start a new one, simply select Create a new project to begin and fill in the project information. For enterprise users, you can create either a personal calculation and project or add it to the company level. When finished with the calculation, you can simply click Save and get back to the project level. All calculations within the projects are visible here. You have an option for inviting your colleagues to collaborate on the project. You can also discuss and collaborate on the project within your team and even assign tasks to your colleagues to streamline your workflow. For enterprise users, company project will be available to everyone within the organization. You can also add a new calculator or group through this page by simply clicking Add Calculator or Add Group button to have more layer organization for your project. By selecting the right calculation, you'll be redirected shortly to the calculator page. Exclusively for enterprise users, you can even add and manage users within the organization, add new materials, layups, cross-sections, and more. Also, you can add a new national annex. Once set up, all of this will be available to everyone from your organization. Thank you for using the CLT Toolbox.